after we play this, we'll take a break. Please have a drink, stick around, tip your bartenders well, all of that. Okay.
What is that? I got those. I got a whole pack of 6.
Ben!
Oh, yo, I played drums for Title Fight.
Ben, if you had to kill somebody in Title Fight, who would it be? Quickly.
Shane.
Alright.
My name's Ned. I play bass and I sing in Title Fight.
Hi, my name is Jamie, and I'm in Title Fight, and I play guitar in it.
What else? Dude, don't bullshit me. You know you sing.
I sing too.
If you had to kill somebody in Title Fight, who would it be?
What? Keep it out, dude! Shane hit me with a drumstick in the PP. Shane picks on me sometimes. Shane.
Why me?
So I'll be the second, so I could be the most handsome one in the band.
I'll take that.
What has been Title Fight's biggest challenge as a band?
Graduating high school.
I'm Shane. I play guitar in Title Fight.
What are some current bands that you listen to right now?
Dean and Sarah.
What the?
As they were at writing and crafting songs, as much as they held the hearts and minds of an entire generation of hardcore showgoers in the palm of their hands. Even a band as strong as that, with possibly the greatest name for any punk band ever, even they couldn't survive the inevitable. So today, we take a look at their catalog to pinpoint where it all went wrong. Today, we'll discover the day that Title Fight died.
before going to their musical performance tonight an option for a skate demo.
I met Ned in 6th grade, and then we made a band, and now I'm 20, and we're in the same band. And after 8 years, we're releasing our first full length.
Where is it coming?
Maybe me?
I can't tell. Is anyone hearing that through their wedge, or?
I think it's coming out of your ass.
Yeah, Shane. Got him.